The beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and on the right side we have single bed here and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have a kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that, if we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.